Well, hello YouTube, Steve Patton with General Patton Bushcraft back with you with another video. And today's video is for those beginners out there that are just learning how to do bow drill at home. I got a nice one for you. This is a cedar picket for a cedar fence. I picked it up down at Lowe's, about $2-3. We're gonna cut this up into a cedar bow drill set. Stay tuned. Okay friends, we just split these down. You can see that the grain is kind of squirrely on these. But what I'm trying to do is make a round spindle. We need to make the spindle now. This is going to be our hearth board. And then we got these choices to make a spindle. This one here is probably no good. See that the grain ran on me there. This one's no good. Set that one over there. This one's split here, so it's going to be a little too thin. This one's no good. This one's got some possibility. This one, you can see it ran off there. Not going to be good. Maybe this one, friends. This one's a little bit wider than this one. This will work, but it'll take a little bit more time, a little more carving. Let's set that one over there. Let's work on this one right here, friends. Okay, so what we want to do is make a round spindle out of this. Start working on it. What I like to do is try to make all sides square. Try to make it square like this, friends, first, and then we'll go ahead and round it up. Just take your time. Take a little bit off here. That's about the squareness I want. So we'll try to make this end look the same as this end. Got a little hump right here. Okay, what I'm doing now is trying to round the square edges now. I want to try to make this as round as possible. This is going to be quite a long spindle. I like a long spindle. Take your time. Getting there, friends. Okay, let's try that. One end we want to make to a nice point, like a sharpened pencil. And the other end we want more blunt. The sharp end's going to go on the bearing block, and the blunt end's going to go on the hearth board. Okay friends, there's the bearing block end, ready to go. Let's do the other end. I want to cut 1/4 inch facets all the way around, and then come back with some 1/16 of an inch facets, something like that. Point it in, blunt end, spindle, hearth board, spindle. Okay friends, what we want to do now is pick a spot close to the edge here. We'll go about right there. Let's put a divot. Just put a little divot in there with your knife. I don't know if you guys can see that right there. Just something to hold our spindle. First thing we got to do is do a burn in. I'm going to make it a little bit more pronounced right there friends. Let's do the burn in. Let me get the bow and my fat wood bearing block, and let's do a burn in. Alright, here's my fat wood bearing block. Pointed end is going to go right in there. Okay. And we have our divot right here. Do a burn in. I got my bow. See if we can't do a burn in. Okay friends, we got smoke. I'm gonna go a little bit more. Okay. Now let's go ahead and cut our V notch. I want this V-notch right in the center of that burn-in, friends. Okay, we got the V-notch cut in there. Hopefully you can see that. That's what the bottom looks like. I rounded this just a little bit to let some more oxygen under there. Alright, let's go for it. Place your foot on there. I'm right-handed, so I got my right knee back. Let's go ahead and load the spindle into the bow. Place it on there. Fat wood bearing block on the pencil end. Let's go for it. Fill that V-notch up with powder. I got smoke. A little more downward pressure. A little more speed.
like we got smoke. Tip it up, give it a little tap. Let's tap all that out of there. Still got some powder in there. There's our ember. Let's see if we can't bring it to flame. Process up a little jute twine. See if we can't transfer this into that jute. Go get some pine needles. There you have it, friends. Alright, friends. That's how you practice at home with the Cedar picket. $2 to $3 down at Lowe's or Home Depot. Make a hearth board, make the spindle. Practice at home. Alright, friends. Before you leave the site, please consider subscribing. Give the video a like. Leave me a comment. And as always, God is good. God is great. I see y'all on the next video. So already got a date.